Adele is a medical wig that is comfortable, natural looking, and breathable. Built with a comfortable mono silk top, it also carries silicone strips across the top along with silicone tabs on the temples and back for more secure hold. Thanks to the silicone strips and the shape of the wig, Adele doesn't need any adhesive bonding for attachment. It's also stretchable at the back and has adjustment hooks to ensure a firm yet comfortable fit. For a natural front hairline, Adele boasts a French lace front. The integration line from French lace to monofilament silk is also seamless and undetectable. Adele is a short layered bob throughout to achieve a very blunt and classic look. It's modern and edgy and uses premium Chinese Remy hair with a medium light density. Get the look that you desire with our beautiful medical wigs.